What if the secret to unlimited lifespan is hiding in plain sight? Today, let's dive into a tale that seems straight out of a fantasy book, but is in fact a scientific reality. Meet the immortal jellyfish. A creature so tiny it fits on the tip of your finger and yet holds secrets that could redefine our understanding of life itself. This incredible story began in the late 19th century when the Tortopsis dohrnii was first spotted in the warm waters of the Mediterranean Sea. At the time, it was just another unidentified jellyfish in a vast ocean of similar sea creatures. But soon, it would capture the attention of scientists who would uncover its astonishing ability. For decades, biologists observed and studied the life cycle of typical jellyfish, which seemed straightforward enough. Jellyfish begin as microscopic larvae drifting in the water column. They then metamorphose into tiny stalk-like organisms attached to solid surfaces. These early life stages are known as polyps. After a period of growth and development, some polyps produce buds that eventually break off and swim away as free-floating medusae, which are the familiar bell-shaped jellyfish we see in the ocean. Medusa reproduce, releasing eggs and sperm into the water in the hope that they will find each other and create new life. And then the cycle begins anew. However, the Tortopsis dohrnii seemed to flout the rules of this natural order. In the 1990s, marine biologists noticed something extraordinary. Under certain conditions, mature T. dohrnii could revert back to an earlier stage of life. What they were witnessing was not merely a jellyfish changing shape, but a remarkable feat of biological transfiguration. Imagine, if you will, a butterfly suddenly transforming back into a caterpillar or a fully grown dog reverting to the puppy stage. Such a notion seems preposterous. Yet this is the astonishing reality of the immortal jellyfish. It has the remarkable ability to turn back its own life clock. Now, you might be wondering what triggers such a dramatic biological reversal. The answer lies in the very essence of the immortal jellyfish's survival. Picture this. The Tortopsis dohrnii lives in the vast expanse of the ocean where conditions can change dramatically, and predators are always on the prowl. Its survival depends on adapting to these challenges. So when faced with unfavorable conditions, sukas, injury, starvation, or changes in salinity, temperature, or oxygen levels, the immortal jellyfish triggers its astonishing transformation process. It literally turns back the hands of time, reverting to an earlier stage of development. This remarkable ability enables it to adapt to changing conditions, increasing its chances of survival. In essence, the immortal jellyfish holds the key to a biological phenomenon known as transdifferentiation. This process involves the transformation of one type of cell into another without going through a stem cell stage. To put it simply, when a jellyfish cell is faced with adverse conditions, it doesn't just sit and wait for things to get better. No, it actively changes its identity, adopting the characteristics of a different kind of cell and contributing to the formation of a different tissue. It's like a chef in a restaurant too. When the main cook gets injured, decides to abandon his station and help out in the dessert section. In the case of the immortal jellyfish, this transformation isn't just a temporary adaptation. It's a complete biological reversal. The jellyfish literally turns back the clock, reverting to an earlier stage of development and beginning its life anew. And here's where the immortal jellyfish earns its title. You see, unlike many other creatures that can reproduce asexually, the immortal jellyfish doesn't simply create clones of itself. It reinvents itself. It starts over with a completely different set of cells, essentially hitting the replay button on its biological life cycle. But hold on a second. Does this mean the immortal jellyfish is truly invincible? Can it live forever without any hiccups? Not quite. Despite its remarkable ability to rejuvenate itself, the immortal jellyfish isn't immune to the laws of nature. It can still fall prey to predators, succumb to diseases, or perish due to accidents. Its biological clock can still be stopped, but only by external factors, not the internal ticking of age. The immortal jellyfish is technically immortal because it doesn't naturally die of old age. It can theoretically live forever, as long as it keeps escaping the clutches of fate. Now, this is where things get really interesting. As news of the immortal jellyfish spread, scientists from around the globe were eager to unravel the secrets behind this astonishing ability. You see, the immortal jellyfish offers more than just a glimpse into the mysteries of the ocean. It provides a unique opportunity to study the potential for cellular rejuvenation and regeneration in other organisms, including humans. Imagine a world where aging is not a one-way street, but a circular path where cells can rewind and repeat their developmental cycles. A world where we could potentially turn back the clock on aging and treat diseases that cause cellular degeneration. It might sound like a distant fantasy, but the immortal jellyfish suggests that such possibilities are not as far-fetched as you might think. However, studying the immortal jellyfish is no easy feat. This tiny creature is incredibly fragile and difficult to keep alive in laboratory conditions. Its transformation process is also notoriously hard to trigger, making it a slippery subject for scientific inquiry. Despite these challenges, researchers have made significant strides in understanding the molecular mechanisms behind the immortal jellyfish's remarkable abilities. They have found that its cells contain special structures called which are associated with the ability to divide and differentiate into various tissues. Telomeres are protective sections of DNA that sit at the ends of chromosomes and keep them from being damaged. And guess what? They seem to play a role in the immortal jellyfish's endless youth. As researchers continue to unlock the secrets of the immortal jellyfish, they are one step closer to understanding the fundamental processes of life, death, and rebirth. But let's take a step back and marvel at the sheer wonder of this tiny creature. The immortal jellyfish, smaller than the tip of your fingernail, lives in the vast expanse of the ocean, a place where conditions can change rapidly and danger lurks around every corner. Yet this little creature has found a way to thrive in such an unpredictable environment. It faces challenges head-on, turning back the clock when faced with adversity. It's a true testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Moreover, the immortal jellyfish challenges our own mortality. Here we are, humans, with our advanced technology and scientific knowledge, constantly searching for ways to extend our lifespan and combat the effects of aging. And here is a tiny creature that has found its own fountain of youth in the depths of the ocean. It forces us to confront our own limitations and consider the possibilities that lie within the natural world. The immortal jellyfish is not just a scientific marvel. It's a reminder of the boundless wonders that exist in our universe. It teaches us to never stop questioning, to always seek answers in the face of the unknown, and to marvel at the beauty and complexity of the natural world. What's more, this discovery has opened up new frontiers in the fields of biology and medicine. As we continue to study the immortal jellyfish, we may unlock secrets that could revolutionize the way we understand aging, regeneration, and cellular rejuvenation. Who knows? We might even discover ways to apply these findings to human health, potentially extending our own lifespans or treating diseases that currently seem insurmountable. So, the next time you hear about the immortal jellyfish, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of nature. This tiny creature, smaller than a pinhead, has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. It serves as a constant reminder that the pursuit of knowledge and understanding of the natural world never ceases to amaze. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the ocean and the secrets of life itself, who knows what other wonders we might uncover? Perhaps the immortal jellyfish is just the tip of the iceberg, leading us to even greater discoveries and a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of our universe. In the grand tapestry of life, the immortal jellyfish may seem like a small thread, but its importance is immeasurable. It reminds us that even in the smallest creatures, the most extraordinary abilities can reside. It encourages us to embrace the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge, and to marvel at the endless wonders that surround us. So, the next time you feel the urge to grow old, remember there's a jellyfish that defies the natural order, living forever in the depths of the ocean. Let its story inspire you to chase your dreams, overcome challenges, and never stop believing in the power of life and the infinite possibilities that lie within. What do you think? Would you want to live forever, or does mortality give life its meaning? What do you find most fascinating about the immortal jellyfish? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this amazing real story from nature and history, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more captivating content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss out on new updates.